Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'll be teaching you how to use a Bitcoin ATM to buy some Bitcoins. Over here we are standing in Calgary Mall, which is in Calgary, Canada. Right beside Tommy Hilfiger and the brand Guess. So now let's begin. Over here we have two options. Either buy a Bitcoin or to either sell a Bitcoin. We're going to choose buy a Bitcoin, which is blue. Over here it says to scan your BTC address, which is a QR code. Over here we have our Bitcoin wallet, and it is in our uncle's phone. We're going to click receive. Here's our QR code. Let's do it. Right here it says scan your QR code. We're going to do it. Now it has happened. Now we're going to insert a $20 bill. Right here. So now we're finished. We're going to click send coins. Right now they're sending our coins to our Bitcoin wallet. We're done. Now you just take a picture. That's it. Thank you. Jazakallahu khairan kathiran. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.